Welcome back and welcome to more fall-like weather as we head into the weekend. Just a gorgeous weekend on tap. We certainly deserve it after 4 or 5 months of summer weather. Now we're getting a little taste of fall, at least during the morning hours. That sun's still bright and hot during the day, but at least we'll be in the 80s. So again, let's get over to the Key Wall. Blue skies out there on the horizon. Seeing some pollution or maybe some smoke that is running from the left to the right. You can see that layer right here. So some burning going on somewhere off to our east and northeast. So let's take a look at the upper level pattern, because this has been the key all summer long, with an upper level trough that has developed during the course of August into September, keeping most tropical systems at bay, keeping them out of the Gulf. Certainly this trough is going to interact with more than likely what should be future tropical storm, if not Hurricane Imelda. Meanwhile, our weather just fantastic. We have a few clouds out there, may see a few passing clouds overnight tonight, but mostly sunny skies expected as we head into tomorrow and Sunday and Monday, and probably for the next 6 or 7 days. Again, as we take a look at the big picture, some showers and storms out in the Gulf, but we're not concerned with that. Here's Hurricane Umberto, keep trying to keep up with the numbers, and tropical disturbance number 9, a potential tropical cyclone developing here across portions of the lower, we'll say the lower Bahamas and near eastern Cuba, eventually moving to the north. More on that system in just a bit. Umberto, well, going through a rapid intensification cycle and continues to do so. We can see that with striations in these cold cloud tops coming out. So this is on the way to becoming a 140, 150 mile per hour storm. Right now, Cat 3 at 115, but it is forecast to go up to Cat 4 more than likely later tonight, and maybe get very close to a 5 sometime during the course of this weekend. Eventually curling around. That dot right there is Bermuda. So Bermuda is going to get tropical storm conditions, maybe hurricane conditions very close here, and it's going to be on the messy, wet side of the storm. So they're going to get some weather from that. Then you see this area right here. That's associated with potential tropical cyclone number 9. That's going to become a tropical storm over the Bahamas tomorrow, and then perhaps a category 1 by Sunday afternoon or Monday. We see this getting closer to the coast, and then it begins to stall. There's no guarantee this is going to make landfall. This may stall for a few days, dump a tremendous amount of rain, then move out to sea, or move inland and then dump even more rain, but won't be our problem close to home. As we look at the graph model, you can see how what could be and should be tropical storm Imelda develops during the course of this weekend, and then heads very close to the South Carolina coast. And then look at this here. You have Hurricane Umberto not too far away. We could get some Fujiwara effect. One may interfere with the other. They never combine to a superstorm. Usually one system hurts the other, and usually it's the stronger one interferes with the weaker one, or they can make each other a little weaker. We'll see. Our weather just fine, thank you. High pressure is dominating. So what's going to be the lows, you're asking, Rob? Lower 60s for the northern portions of Acadiana, mid 60s I-10 corridor, low to mid 60s down along the coast. Now tomorrow's going to be warm, especially in the sun. The sun does a lot of work this time of year, so if you're heading out to the festival or any outdoor activities, certainly sunblock will be needed once again. And then into tomorrow night, we're looking at even cooler temperatures. How about upper 50s for northern portions of Acadiana to low to mid 60s elsewhere? So we'll go 64 for the low tonight. Then for tomorrow, again, fair skies. Tomorrow, just a gorgeous day, 86 the high, a little bit of a north breeze out there. And into the 10-day forecast we go. Temperatures, well, we're not done with the 90s quite yet, but at least the mornings are going to be magnificent. And then as we head into next week, more warm and dry weather as we get into the first week of October. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.